Are you tired of guessing which software will actually grow your business and which is just a waste of money? If you want to automate your sales, capture more leads, and scale your online business without the tech overwhelm, you are exactly where you need to be. Welcome to Business Mama. I created this channel for one simple reason: to help business owners like you cut through the noise. Running a business is hard enough. Finding the right tools to grow it shouldn't be. Every single week, I am doing the heavy lifting for you. I test, review, and break down the absolute best business strategies and B2B software on the market. Whether you are looking for a CRM that actually converts, the fastest way to generate high-quality leads, or the best tools to secure your business online, I am bringing you the exact systems you need to work smarter, not harder. On this channel, you'll be getting honest software reviews from me, step-by-step tutorials, and proven strategies that you can implement immediately to start seeing a return on your investment. So, if you are ready to reach a larger audience and build a wildly profitable online business, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a tool that could change your business. Also, be sure to check the description of every video on this channel. I always drop the links to the exact tools we discuss so you can grab them instantly. Stay with me, and let's grow your business together. I'll see you in the next video.